welcome back to another studio vlog. Oh my gosh, what an amazing week or weekend. So over the weekend my daughter had another soccer tournament, and guess what? They came back with the championship yet again, which is amazing. Actually, let me show you her medal. So champions, so surf, actually they invited our team to play in their tournament, which, you know, it's an invitational because surf is like a nationwide soccer club. So they won, they played hard. The weather was not on their side on Saturday or on Sunday and Monday. So, but they played really hard and I'm super proud of those girls. Anyway, I was only there for Saturday, and it kind of showed you a bit of a clip of us kind of walking our puppy while we were there. That was the only day I was able to attend, and I actually stayed home with my youngest, which was great because we had some bonding time, watched a couple movies, played some games and things like that. So it was good bonding time with my youngest. And now it is Tuesday because yesterday was a holiday and the girls were off from school, and this is actually my first whole day alone without my kids because they're both at school right now. So today I have a few things that I would like to kind of do. I have some of my Deception Pass stickers that I would like to list today, and then paint. Working on mushrooms, and I'll probably do some jewelry making, or I need to actually seal. I've got oh, when did that fall? Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that. Got one, two, I've actually got quite a few mushrooms that I need to seal, and then I need to actually work on some more acorns. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff to do today. And I'm just trying to think. I'm still working on my little tea light holder. I am absolutely loving how this one is turning out. Still a little bit more work to do. And then I'd like to actually do my canvases, get my canvases backgrounds done today. So that's another thing I'd like to accomplish today. The biggest thing is that I have to stay focused, and sometimes I get bored, and also I have my puppy and I'm trying to keep, it's really kind of drizzy outside today, so it's not like super great weather. So at some point I have to take him for a walk and drain some of his energy, because I don't know, we went to pick up and he was just acting a fool. So, or drop off, and he was just crazy, but I think it was my fault. Anyway, a lot to do. Probably should write down some things to work on, but yeah, it's gonna be a great day, and thank you for being here. For those of you who are new, I am Shelly. I am a mandala artist, dot mandala and digital art mandala artist, and I am so glad you're here. If you are enjoying my content, if you could please subscribe, like, and comment. I cannot tell you how much that helps me in the algorithm, and it's completely free. So if you could just do that for me, so then my channel will get put out to more people, and hopefully this channel will get monetized, and so that's just another stream of income. And guess what? It doesn't cost you anything to do that. And I don't normally like asking for you to do that, but I need it. So if you could do that, I would really appreciate it. So let's get into this vlog, and I have some really exciting stuff to show you, and I need to actually, oh man, so many things I need to do. I need to make more. Okay, let's go. tip for you. If you have one of these, this is just like a jar opener. I use it for stuff like this too. Ugh. Oh my gosh, I am like struggling. So what's happening is the gesso is like stuck on it. Oh, if I bang it, I'll break it up a little bit, maybe, or it'll end up everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm like struggling. Ah! Oh, got it. Holy moly. That was ridiculous. Whew. Okay. You know what? I might give this a little shake. I don't know if you're supposed to, but it's been sitting in my drawer for a while, so let's give it a good little shake. And then we'll apply it. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was not as easy to take that off as I was hoping, but that's okay. All right, let's open up this guy again. All right. Okay, you don't need to hear me talking anymore, so I'm just gonna go back to watching my video. Voiceover Shelly. I just realized that I actually talked quite a bit before this clip and to explain what this product is and what it does, and apparently I never actually recorded it. So now what this product is, it actually makes it so I can do a watercolor kind of background, and it's really, really cool. And I've done it in the past with my sloth. If you've seen that on my Instagram, the background's kind of like a watercolor look to it. So that's my goal with this. And I'm going to do a dragon painting on it and do like watercolor background with the dragon silhouette, and then do like the mandala and all the design on there. But I realized that I actually did not record, and I thought that would probably be some good information for you to know about, so you know what this product is that I'm putting on my canvases. Okay, so now we got to set this aside to dry for a bit, because this is kind of a process when it comes to painting, guys. It's just a process. So now I gotta put this aside and let it dry, and then it's gotta probably dry overnight. Probably I won't be able to work on it until next vlog, because it just has to dry completely before we do any kind of watercolor on it. And then I still have to figure out what kind of design I want to do for the fairy and the dragon. So we're gonna just put this over here for right now, let it dry, and work on something else. All right, let's put these colors aside too. Okay, so apparently I got into the flow and just could not stop. So this is like a tin, right? I'm gonna paint that, and then I did some prep work. These are gonna be some keychains. These are going to be earrings eventually. Here, let me show you what earrings. So they'll kind of be like this, right? But I think I'm gonna do the front and back this time, and it's okay to charge for what your work is worth. Okay, people, I have to constantly tell myself that. So this is my reminder to you that it is okay. All right. And then I did, these are some acorns in the making. And then I sealed some of these, and then obviously you saw my tea light holder. And you know what? I think I might take a break and go walk my pup. So hold on. I'll first say that the weather is not the best, but he needs a walk. I mean, he's sleeping right now, so he's pretty content, but my husband is very tired after being at the tournament for 2 days and his hip's bothering him, so I think I might do him a favor and go and take care of the puppy so he doesn't have to. So I'm going to take a break here, and I think later on I'm going to probably work on, since we're relaxing, I'm probably going to work some more on digital art later on tonight. But I think that might be it for this vlog. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know yet. So we will just see what else I can do before then. But here's the problem. When I have these long days where I have a huge time of to do, I always do a lot of prep work and don't actually do any painting. And I don't know why I struggle with it. I just do. So I want to work on this jar too, but I need to go walk my puppy. I'm sorry that the light keeps getting messed up. I have these lights on, and that's what's messing with it. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see how long we can walk him for. It's 11 o'clock right now. My husband's going to be home at about 1 o'clock, and I'm going to hang out with him for a while before I have to go and volunteer at my daughter's school at 2. And then it'll be family time after the girls get out of school and all that stuff, and we're just going to relax, play some games maybe. I don't know. Well, we will see. We're going to spend some quality family time at home. Not that we don't do that. It's just that my daughter was gone all weekend doing the tournament stuff. So, all right, I'll film a little bit on our little walkie. We'll see how Jax does. And yeah, the weather is not the best today. So when I come back, I'll probably be a big frizzy mess. So let's go do that. Are you enjoying our walkie today, Jaxie? Huh? Yeah, good boy. The rest of the day just got away from me, and really the rest of the week I wasn't able to do any kind of creative time, but I am thankful that I was able to do some digital art while we watched a movie and just chilled out, and I just love how this design worked. And thanks for hanging out with me, and keep creating, growing, and I'll see you in the next one.